Baby. Baby, talk to Papa, baby. You don't want to talk to Papa, baby.
Her eyes are talking.
Miss ka na ni Papa, baby. Miss mo rin ako, baby. Di na nga ako naligo. Para maamoy mo ako.
Hindi ka daw kasi naligo.
Sorry. Takdi lang ano ni Papa. Don't cover baby mama. Cover his skin lang. Baby. I love you, baby.
See, you like Papa taking baths too, no?
Yeah. Don't be like that, baby. It's too cold. No more swimming inside Mama's tummy, baby. No, no more water. No, baby, no. No more water, baby, no.
You're doing okay, baby. Look at her hands. You're so precious. Can you hold my hand? Can you? Kunin mo ng picture.
You're holding Mama. Laki ng mukha ni Mama. Joke lang, baby. Yeah. Yeah. You're playing with your saliva, baby? Or is it food?
Ang ganda ng hands niya. You have perfect lady fingers, baby. Nakagrip na siya sa thumbs
It's not a lady finger, baby. It's a baby finger. Oh, baby finger yan, baby, no? No? I don't want it to be a lady, baby, no?
Not yet. She's too young. Yes?
Yung ate mo, baby, lady mo, baby.
Nga. Ang kaso mukhang masungit.
Kaka-instinct man.
Picturean mo yung hand niya na nakahawak sa thumb ko.
Napicturean ko na.
Yan lang, no?
Baby, open your eyes. Open. You told me, baby, malaki ka daw tingnan. Sabi ko, naka-zoom lang yun.
She looks big, actually. A little bigger than I thought.
A little bit bigger, baby. Huh? Namiss mo voice ni Papa, no? Namiss mo ako, baby, no? Oh.
Next time, Papa, take a bath, no? Baby?
Pag uwi ko, baby, no worries. Bibigay si Papa. Ha? You don't want Papa to talk, baby? You want to sleep? Naiingayan ka pa din sa amin, eh.
No.
Baby, no. Papa.
Bango-bango niya.
Nasaan ko yung mga baby? I love you, baby.
You smell so nice. Buti na lang, nakaligo na pala ako bago kita hinawakan.
Hello, she opened her eyes. You open your eyes, baby. Hmm?
Nakaka-relax.